5 motivational phrases from Tony Robbins. 1. The secret to success is learning how to use pain and pleasure, not having them use you. If you do, you are in control of your life. If you don't, life controls you. 2. You have to make a change in your life and stop being a consumer of the economy and become an entrepreneur, and you do it by becoming an investor. 3. Life is a gift, and it offers you the privilege, opportunity and responsibility to give something back by becoming someone better. 4. A true decision is measured by the fact that you have taken a new action. If there is no action, you have not yet truly decided. 5. Remember, we get what we tolerate. So stop tolerating the excuses within you, those limiting beliefs from the past and a fear-filled mentality in your life.